Today, we the students of class 9D have gathered here to present our prayer service on the topic the International Youth Day.
The International Youth Day is observed on 12th of August every year. The idea for celebrating International Youth Day was proposed in the year 1991.
The children are enjoying, shouting and having fun. Some are even studying.
Kavya, I am bored. Look at those people. They are studying.
Let's play a prank on them. Then Kavya throws a snake on Arav.
Ah! Oh, it's a fake one.
All the students started laughing. A student from another class brought a child to Kavya and Arav.
Guys, look, who is here?
They started bullying the child. The child falls on the floor. Kezia come to those bullies.
You guys are always like that. Just think, if you are weak and someone bullies you.
Maybe.
The child cries and runs back to her class. The students also got seated. Seated and started talking. But then the Vice Chancellor stepped inside the classroom.
Here is the Vice Chancellor, who is very strict.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. I expect you all to follow rules and guidelines. There is a portfolio to check your capabilities. Complete it within 10 minutes.
The Vice Chancellor tells them about the theme of the portfolio and makes it clear to follow the rules that he mentioned. All the students started making their portfolios. After some time,
the time is up. Now show your portfolios to me.
Students who have completed come one by one. Kezia shows her portfolio first and the Vice Chancellor looks at it for a while.
What is this? Make it again. Anya went to the Vice-Chancellor next to show her project.
So, here is my project.
Very good. You have followed all the rules. Some more students come to the Vice Chancellor to show their projects.
The Vice Chancellor checks everyone's portfolios, but he shows expressions of disappointment after checking each.
Is anyone else left to show?
No one raises their hand, but Arav was about to come. Then the Vice Chancellor starts to say something.
Anya, could you please come here for a minute?
Meanwhile, Vihan and Arav are talking to each other.
Hey Vihan, you're not going to give your project?
No, he will yell at me.
Don't worry, your project is so unique.
But for sir, it is trash.
But it is necessary to submit. Array, come on, let's go together.
Okay.
Arav and Vihan go to the Vice Chancellor. Vihan gives the project first.
Sir, the Vice Chancellor takes the project in hand and checks it for a while.
What is this rubbish? It's against what I said. You're all so dumb that your creativity never shows. You'll never bring any change. You will always need help from the dumb AI and internet. Foolish.
The Chancellor, who heard everything, steps into the class without the Vice Chancellor noticing.
This is the Chancellor who is wise. All the students start looking in one direction and stand up to greet the Chancellor.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. Sit down. What happened, Mr. John?
Sir, their performance is very disappointing. Chancellor looks at the project.
The project is wonderful, so unique. Who made this? Sir, I made it.
The Chancellor looks at some more projects with great appreciation and seriousness towards them.
Mr. John, you are telling these students that their efforts will never bring any change. But remember, they are not only students, they are the future of this country. They decide whether there will be development or disaster.
To all my dear youths, your choices decide how this world is going to be. Each and every youth has a value, so choose wisely. I apologize for my words. I understand now that creativity and efforts are important. Remember, as youths, you should support each other and work together to bring a positive change
And contribute to the progress of the nation.
Youth should be optimistic, omnipotent, and adorned with a never give up attitude and equipped with unlimited might and power. They should be able to do absolutely anything to take their country to the pinnacle of success.
They should be unique, undefeated, unbeatable and unparalleled in their skills, potential, abilities and efforts. They should be ready to strive hard to make use of their unique expertise and strength to uplift their society to greater heights.
Youth should be talented, tactful and transformative. They should have the act of doing the right thing that the situation calls for. They should possess the Midas touch to transform other individuals into better people. They should be hardworking, honest, heroic and yet humble and humanitarian. They should work hard to promote human welfare and take heroic actions to make this world a more peaceful and a pleasant place to live in.
I need one dance, got Hennessy in my hand.